What's really in Canada's constitution? It's a question many Canadians have because we hear about it all the time. But most of us never learned what it actually includes or how it affects our daily lives. Here's the deal. The Constitution of Canada is more than just a single document. It's a set of rules, a legal foundation that tells us how this country works. It decides who's in charge of what powers each level of government has, and what rights you, as a Canadian, are guaranteed. Let's break it down. No legal jargon, just real-life impact. The Constitution Act, 1867. This is the one that started it all. Back then, it was called the British North America Act, passed by the UK Parliament. It created Canada as a country and outlined the roles of the federal government, the provincial governments, Parliament, Senate, and courts. It split powers, so Ottawa handles immigration and defense, and provinces run schools and hospitals. This division still shapes debates today. 2. The Constitution Act, 1982. Fast forward to 1982. Canada finally brought home the Constitution from Britain. This act added two big things: the Charter of Rights and Freedoms and an amending formula, rules to change the Constitution. A charter is huge. It guarantees your freedom of speech, right to vote, equality under the law, right to a fair trial, freedom of religion, and more. If a government passes a law that violates the charter, the courts can strike it down. 3. Indigenous and treaty rights. The 1982 Act also recognizes Indigenous rights and treaties as part of Canada's legal foundation. This is why major court decisions today, like the Cowichan or Tsilhulton cases, often refer back to the Constitution. 4. Unwritten rules and court decisions. Not every rule is written down. Canada also follows constitutional conventions, basically long-standing political traditions, like how the Prime Minister must have the confidence of the House of Commons. Plus, courts play a major role. Judges interpret how the Constitution applies to new situations, from digital privacy to bilingual services. So why does all this matter? Because the Constitution is the rulebook for Canadian democracy. It holds governments accountable. It defines your rights, your freedoms, and how decisions are made in Ottawa and every province. Whether it's about healthcare, taxes, protests, or voting, the Constitution is behind it all. So next time you hear someone say, "That's unconstitutional," you'll actually understand what they mean. Knowledge is power, and when you understand the rules, you can better defend your rights and demand better from your leaders. Like, comment, and share if you believe Canadians deserve to know how their country really works.